So we're doing some chicken wings today. These are absolutely delicious. They're super, super juicy. They're crispy on the outside, just really fantastic. We're gonna cook these just on the stove top in a pan, pan fried. Amazing. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got 20 chicken wings there. I've got half a cup of onion. I've got about a cup of olive oil. That's lemon juice there, or lime juice works just as well. There is about 3 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, and then let's have a look at these spices. So 1 teaspoon salt and garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoons each of cumin and chili powder. We're gonna get all of that in there, give it a mix. So here we go, look, olive oil. That's gonna kind of bring everything together. The lemon or lime juice, of course, gonna give it a beautiful kind of acidic flavor. Little bit of onion, garlic, and then we're gonna go with the spices. This is another look, yeah? Salt, pepper, garlic powder, turmeric, cumin, and chili. Okay, you can see I've got a glove on here. I'm gonna go in, give that a little mix. And then what we need to do, absolute minimum 1 hour. This is gonna go in my fridge overnight though. Overnight will make it just that little bit more special. So some plastic wrap, shrink wrap, or whatever you call it, cling film, over, and then that's ready for tomorrow. Fabulous. Hello, good morning. So, look, I left that overnight. Fabulous. I've got a pan here, dry pan, nothing in it because we've got enough oil in there. It's on a medium heat. You don't want it too crazy. We're simply going to just drop all of our wings and that beautiful marination in. And then for about 10 to 12 minutes, we're just going to throw these around. I'm going to be moving it quite often. And they'll be done really nice. But like I say, don't have the heat up too high. You're just going to really burn them on the outside. Fabulous stuff. Now, if you wanted, you could get these on a barbecue. You could skewer them up, you know, get them into some metal skewers or wooden skewers and cook them on your barbecue, or stick them in a net, you know, one of those foldable nets. We're just doing this stovetop pan style. See you in about 10 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Look at those, absolutely beautiful. Really, really good. Okay, I'm gonna take them out, get them onto a plate. Job done. Delicious. All right, and there you go. Look at those, really simple, really juicy, really tasty. Take no time at all, apart from leaving them overnight, of course. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe and keep well, everyone out there, please. See you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.